Good day, everyone. This is Vincent Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to talk about mini split, including single zone and multi-zone the controllers. Meanwhile, I also provide the corresponding video linkages at the below description area just for your reference. This sharing device into these 6 parts. I also provide the corrected subtitle. Don't forget to turn it on if you need.
Wi-Fi setting. Here are steps for the Wi-Fi function. For the in-dock unit first, basically it divides into the wall mounted and also it sets the wall mounted. For the wall mounted, it has this built-in Wi-Fi module, and on the circuit diagram, which is this one, and for it set the wall mounted, basically we need to connect to the wire controller. Inside it, there is a built-in Wi-Fi module. Actually, we just control this wire controller to control the in-dock unit. On the circuit diagram, you need to connect to this COM menu, which is this port. And step 2 is put this either the wired controller or the Wi-Fi module just within the Wi-Fi range, but only support 2.4 gig. And step 3 is from your smartphone. Just scan this QR code. This one is for Grip Plus. This is for no brand. Then you can install the control app into your smartphone. Next is to do the first commissioning, which is to reset the Wi-Fi module. Here I just offer you the wired controller and wireless remote controller, how to do the reset of the Wi-Fi. And also from this PCB you can find that here is the built-in Wi-Fi module. And as for this wireless controller, the Wi-Fi display here, that means you need to turn on the Wi-Fi module or turn off the Wi-Fi module, as there is no built-in Wi-Fi module inside, just a command to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi module. And here is how to do the reset.
After you install this app, this time I'm going to introduce how to do the first commissioning or how to do the first setting to the AC from this Toso Plus app. And then enter this page, you need to press this plus. Then enter this page, select AC. And at this page, you need to follow this instruction either on the wired controller, wireless remote controller, then to do the reset the Wi-Fi module. Just follow the instructions which I will introduce in the next slide.
After you reset the Wi-Fi module, or you can just follow these steps to do the reset. Then at this step, you need to tell the in-dock unit or the Wi-Fi module what is the name and password of your home Wi-Fi. After that, the setting or the first commissioning is finished. Then you can control the in-dock unit from here, change the setting temperature, operating mode, setting fan speed, and also turn on or turn off different functions.
That's all for this sharing. If you still have any other question or any other suggestion, feel free to send me to my email address. Meanwhile, you can also scan this QR code to access the sharing. Hasta la próxima. それではまた今度。